Now this figure 15-4A comes from Stallcup's Electrical Design Book, Volume 2. And notice we have a number of kitchen equipment located here. And the total amount of it is 82 kW. We have a water heater, 2 microwaves, 3 boilers, 2 steamers, 3 fires, 2 kettles, 4 pieces of cooking equipment, and the 2 largest loads is 10 kW and 8 kW. So now when we add these up, and I think there's 16 pieces, we get a demand factor that could be applied. Now, looking at this and taking this information for these types of cooking equipment located, say, in a restaurant or a cafeteria, we'll go to the next video and calculate the load.